Hello my guys, I remember on my last video I have already shown you all the components of a battery cage, and today I'm going to take you through a simple step on how to assemble a cage box. This is how our cage look like. So these are the partition for the cage, the one subdividing the box, and then this is the back part of the cage, and then we have the bottom here, the one holding all the weight, and then we have the top part of the cage, the one with the doors, and then we have the tanks. So the tanks, I'm going to use them as my work table. A cage box usually consists of 4 main parts. That is the bottom, the top, the back, and the partition. I usually prefer start working with the top part of the cage. This is how I put it on my work table. So I arrange it on my work table and then I introduce the partition to subdivide. Remember, this cage box is subdivided into 4 subunits, so they are subdivided with this partition I'm putting here. Let me turn it around so that you can have a good view on it. Okay guys, remember, while you are doing this partition, you have to make sure that you come up with the equal and proportional subunit. Okay, after partition, we introduce the next part, which is the back part. This is the back part of the cage. And then, last but not least, we introduce the bottom part. And guys, remember I told you that this is the part that holds all the weight of the cage. So while pinching this part, you have to be a bit generous with the pin. Yeah, while pinching this, you have to apply a good amount of energy so that the pins can make a good grip of the wire. Failure to do so, you'll have a very weak cage. So you just have to apply enough energy. Okay guys, we are done with our cage box, and this is how the box looks like. Neat and good. Thank you very much for watching.